Welcome to Wild Charge, and in today's earth-shattering Pokemon that we're going to talk about today, we're going to talk about Groudon. Now, I don't know about you, but I remember how epic it was to battle Groudon in Pokemon Ruby. Even how scary, like when you're reading the text about Groudon, how vicious, scary, legendary, and badass this Pokemon is. It is pretty much Pokemon Ruby, Sapphire, Emeralds, he's like one of the main Pokemon you always heard about. Anyway, some information about it here goes as follows. It is said to be the personification of land itself. Legends tell of its clashes against Kyogre as each sought to gain power of nature. Of course, it doesn't evolve. And of course, here in the handbook, after fighting Kyogre ages ago, Groudon now rests underground in the Magma Cavern. Of course, until Team Magma comes along and does its shenanigans. But speaking of shenanigans, let's stop here for now. Follow for more daily Pokemon content. I could talk about Groudon for ages.
Like no one ever was.